Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. We are in my craft room tonight. I have been spending the last week trying to reorganize this thing. I'm doing good. I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of things. Every time I come down here, I don't know where they are, and I don't like that. I want to know where everything is. If I have to label everything because my 55-year-old brain cannot figure this stuff out anymore, then that's what I'm going to do. My life is all about writing things down, putting labels on things, and reminders in my phone. So, what I wanted to work on tonight, and I'm just going to invite you guys to watch me. Okay, I'm using one of these neck phone holder things. So, see, you can see my hands. So, my goal for tonight, I don't have a lot of time in here, but tonight I just want to kind of organize this. So, this desk here is going to be for card making. So, I kind of want to keep my stuff simple. I want to get back into card making, okay, which also includes like, Happy Mail and things like that, which I totally got away from for the last couple of years. I'm actually starting to enter a couple of challenges or giveaways and that. And then, so it's going to be cards, and then it'll be my Cricut. So that'll be, t-shirts, vinyl, HTV, all that. And then I also want to concentrate on like beads, making charms, that kind of thing. So I've ordered a bunch more of that, even though I destashed almost all of what I had in the past. So now I'm starting to order more in. So that's a new thing. So we need to figure out a way to organize those. I do also have sublimation, which, I still want to do. I haven't, I don't know, like when I got it, I was really gung ho on that. And now I'm kind of like, what do I make? What do I do? I gave up my brother's Scan and Cut and got a Cricut for the first time. And the Cricut was just so much easier to use than any other software anywhere. So I've kind of been focusing on that. But anyway, those are all stories for another day. Tonight, we are just going to focus on this area here. I cleaned up a lot of it already. So you can see on this back wall, this is where my pegboard is. I do still feel I have too much on this pegboard. Wall hanging, we'll call it. She leaves a little glitter wherever she goes. I did get that years ago from my family, I believe for Mother's Day, which is coming up. So happy Mother's Day, ladies. If this doesn't go up before Mother's Day, then I hope you had a nice Mother's Day. But that's taking up a lot of the pegboard. So I may be moving that. And I had some stuff over here in regards to card supplies and that organizational old timey shelf thing. So I'm taking stuff out of there. And I just want it all right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these acrylic markers that I got off Amazon, and I'm going to put them in this tin bucket. I did just get this at HomeSense, and that's holding most of my alcohol markers and then some other markers. But I was going to try and squeeze these in here, but they're really just not going to fit. So we're just going to take these and put them all here. These are really nice, actually, writing on acrylic. Oof. I do have a video up where I tested them out, and it was just so satisfying to do that. So those different size acrylic frames from Amazon are perfect for utilizing in different ways other than frames. So I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put these. I'll keep them here for now. But I am going to toss the box because I don't need it. So we're going to put this Sharpie back here. I don't know. I did discover going through all this that flare markers do not last as long as you would think they do. All right. So I have this little funnel. I don't know where that'll go. So I have to find a little area right now that's going to be my catch-all. And then that'll be like the last thing I go through and figure out where to place everything. So this pile here. It's just some dies. This is a die. I thought this was kind of cute, and I was thinking of making like it into a card of sorts. That's why I have that envelope there to see if it would fit. So I'm probably going to do something with this, but let's just pull the card out for now. Put this back in here. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then I don't know if this, I think this was kind of like that because it was in a plastic wrapping, which I threw away. So we're just going to take it, put it in here. But it's definitely a cute die. I don't do too much with dies anymore. But again, we're trying to get back into some of these things. Okay, so we're going to put that there. Probably click that out. All right. And then right now we have all of our, you can't really see where I'm at here, but we got all our dies and stamps in this box there to be gone through at a later time. All right, so we're gonna wipe all that. Now my goal here is take everything out of here and here and whatever this is. And then we're gonna just reorganize it with whatever I need on this desk for card making. Okay, so we'll just start here because I know that these are little pearl drops, flat back drops. So those we definitely need because they go on almost all cards. These are, you're supposed to put them back on the, you're supposed to glue them to flat backs and then you can turn them into charms. So this actually does not need to be here because even though I might make charms here, this is not, you know, that's all going to be organized in a different area. These 3 tins right here, or acrylic drawers, are from the Dollar Tree. I remember I got these because Tamika got these, so I went and got them. So it looks like in this drawer is all like adhesives. So all right, here's what we're going to do. I am going to just kind of like stop talking. Oh, say hi to Rambo. He's a baby. So I'm, oh, there he is. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of stop talking and I'm just going to put this on record and you guys can watch me organize this real quick. And then I'll come back at the end for just a really quick wrap up. All right. Enjoy the music. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. I do now have my card making desk all tidied up and ready to go. I will be back here soon making a card for a challenge. I'll see you in the next crafty video.